Hello, everyone. I'm Peter, and welcome to the English Easy podcast. Today, we're excited to help you learn English for a real-world situation traveling at the airport. Sara, can you tell us why this topic is so useful for beginners?
Absolutely, Peter. Knowing simple phrases for the airport is essential because millions travel every day. Even if you speak just a little English, it can help you check in, go through security, or find your gate. Let's guide listeners step by step through Joey's travel adventure.
Great. We'll cover Joey's entire journey, from arriving at the airport all the way to boarding the plane. Let's listen carefully, and later we'll break down important words and phrases together. Let's start with Joey arriving at the airport. Picture a busy terminal, rolling suitcases, and lots of signs. Sara, what's the first thing Joey needs to do?
Joey looks for the check-in counter. This is where you show your ticket and passport. For beginners, just asking, "Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?" is a great way to start a conversation.
Exactly. Even simple questions like this help you get where you need to go and practice your English at the same time. Let's listen to Joey's conversation at the check-in counter next. Joey approaches the check-in counter. Here's how the conversation might go. "Good morning. Where are you flying today?" the agent asks.
Joey replies, "Good morning. I'm flying to Dallas." The agent asks for his ID. "May I see your passport and ticket, please?" Joey hands them over and says, "Here you are."
The agent checks his documents and asks, "Do you have any bags to check?" Joey answers, "Yes, one suitcase." And the agent says, "Great. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 12.
This exchange uses very basic but practical English. Notice how Joey uses polite phrases like "good morning" and "here you are." These make the conversation friendly and smooth.
Now Joey heads to security. "Here," staff might say, "please place your bag on the belt," or "take off your shoes, please." Sara, how should Joey respond?
Joey can simply say, "Okay," or "sure." If he doesn't understand, he could ask, "Could you repeat that, please?" This is a really helpful phrase for any situation.
That's right. Listening carefully and asking for help is a key skill. Security might also say, "Raise your arms," or "Step forward." These are all short, clear instructions. After security, Joey needs to find his gate. He sees many signs, but isn't sure where to go. What can he do next, Sara?
He can approach an airport worker and ask, "Excuse me, where is gate 12? The worker might reply, "Go straight and turn left." This is a simple but important exchange.
Exactly. Even if you feel nervous, asking for directions helps you practice and get help. Sometimes staff use gestures to clarify, making it even easier for beginners. Joey arrives at the waiting area near his gate. He wants to sit down, but isn't sure if the seat is free. What should he say?
He can ask, "Is this seat taken?" If the other person says, "No, please sit," it's a good chance for Joey to practice small talk, like, "Are you flying to Dallas too?"
Starting a simple conversation can make waiting less boring and help build confidence. Most travelers are friendly and happy to chat for a few minutes. Soon, there's a loudspeaker announcement. Now boarding flight 215 to Dallas at gate 12. Sara, what should Joey listen for during announcements?
He should listen for his flight number, destination, and gate. If he misses something, he can ask staff, "Excuse me, is this the boarding gate for Dallas?" That way, he won't get lost.
Great advice. Announcements can be fast, so don't be afraid to ask for help or clarification. It's better to check than to miss your plane. Joey joins the line to board. The staff says, "Boarding pass, please." He gives it and hears, "Thank you, seat 14A. Sara, what's a polite way for Joey to respond?
He can say, "Thank you." If he's not sure where his seat is, he could ask, "Could you show me where 14A is?" The staff will gladly help, especially if you ask politely.
Simple manners go a long way. On the plane, Joey might ask another passenger, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" This helps avoid confusion and starts things smoothly. Now, Let's review some keywords and phrases from Joey's journey. Sarah, what does check-in counter mean?
The check-in counter is where you show your ticket and passport before your flight. Another important phrase is boarding pass. That's the paper or digital ticket with your seat and gate number.
Is this seat taken? Is a polite way to ask if a seat is free. And could you repeat that, please? Is perfect for when you don't understand. Practice these to sound natural at the airport. Let's explore the grammar. Notice how Joey uses could you to make polite requests, like, could you show me where 14A is? Why do we use could here, Sarah?
Could makes requests sound softer and more polite than just saying, show me. It's friendly and shows respect. Another pattern is, do you have any? Like, do you have any bags to check? This helps staff know what to do next.
Mastering these patterns helps conversations go smoothly and makes you sound more fluent even with simple sentences. Let's finish with a quick speaking challenge. Repeat after us. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Let's try another. Is this seat taken? Excellent. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Practice is how you improve.
Thanks for joining us today. Subscribe for more beginner English and try making your own airport conversation in the comments. Practice every day, and soon you'll speak with confidence wherever you go.